Hey and welcome to Alpha One. In this episode I'm going to trade a little manually for binary option. You can do so too, just use the link you see up here right now and you can sign up with the broker you see me using here now. This is also the broker I use when I trade at my sessions. You can join my sessions, it's completely for free. You find WhatsApp and Telegram communities below here. You can join them today and follow me. Like today, for example, I did 10 trades with binary option and I won 8 of them. Let me now show you the trades I did take. So let's see here, let's go to closed. So you can see here is the trades I did. It's from 10, okay. So you can see we won 1, we lost 1, then we won 2, lost 1, and we lost the last five trades. So now let's see if we can find a new trade. I will just show you. Maybe I don't find a trade right away because this is a very specific, it's even more specific than we see in pocket option. So I will show you trading areas, and if you are close to one, I will take one. So let's change for $100. We will do $100 trades here, and not 1,000 but 100. So let's see. Nope. Here, for example, here's a specific area I would have been waiting for trade. So I will mark it up here now. You see, there. I will make it green. I always make the same color so I don't do mistakes. I put it to the thickest line, and if I come down to this area here, I will then push up with a 30 seconds closing time. Okay. So this would be if I was, for example, if the market was around here, I would put a signal for the group. I would say the number you see in green here. And every time I come down here, I will push up. So this is a typical perfect entry area. Now let's see if we can find something in this video. Here also, I'll show you. Here also, you have one. You would have won all the trades you see here. Every time he go down, maybe, just maybe, you would have lost this one and this one. And maybe this one. So maybe all these trades here you might have lost 3, and winners would be basically all the way from here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, loss, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, loss, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, and loss. So you see only 1, 2, 3 losses and more than 4 losses and more than 20 winners. So obviously we are printing money because you basically, if you lose, you lose $100. If you win, you get $95. Now let's see if we can find a trade we can do live. I think we see something here. Let's see. Let's make a line here. If we come down to this line now, I will take a trade just to show you. It's not a proven line so long time, but I think it's good enough for a test. Let's see. If we come down, let's go down. I enter there. Quite good entry. I'm happy with that. Now we just need to wait 20 more seconds. And probably this will be a winner. You see that we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 times tested this area. So it's a pretty strong line. So now let's see. And there you have it. It's that simple. There you see how easy in just matter of minutes. First I did just show you a few examples, and then after I did show you how easy you can trade with binary option. Binary option is not luck. If anyone come and tell you binary option is luck, they don't know what they're talking about. Because here again, you see I did one more trade here, just right in front of you. And you can see the proven here, all the winners I have here from the session. So binary option is easy if you just know how to trade. So make sure you join this broker. This is the best broker actually when it comes to winning trades with this strategy. So make sure you join. And also I have a promo code as you have been looking so far, I have a promo code below that gives you 200% on your first deposit, so make your first deposit count. And let's print money together and join me also in the community, so you can basically show you where I'm trading and you can follow what I'm doing, okay? So with that, have an amazing day.